Hi, this is Ruben's mom. I would like to ask you, how do you feel about Ruben being in grand finals in Voice Australia?
I feel awesome because I know he's a winner, one and only winner for the Voice. Oh yeah, go Ruben, you win.
Very proud. It's my claim to fame. My uncle is the grand final.
It's really cool.
Love to see it.
Really cool. See one of the locals going.
Uncle Ruben, we love you.
Really excited. Excited
It's
for
gonna
it.
be great.
So good.
You're
Very
gonna win.
inspirational. Very inspirational. We started from the bottom, now we're here. Really cool.
And I used to sing the same songs everywhere. Now all of a sudden, like the TV, everyone knows me now, so people are coming to gigs and stuff, which is really cool. And I'm welcoming this new chapter of my life, but at the same time, I'm hoping that community can keep me grounded, like gigs like this, because I don't really know what this industry holds. Really, I've never been part of it, and this is quite a grounding sort of gig. You got families, you got puppies, and Kathy and Penny Lanes and Freo. And every one of you, there's so many new people, so many old people that have been part of this journey, and I hope I can welcome you all to this massive family and just to my tribe basically. And thank you, thanks for just being here. And this is a very grounding day for me. Like there's a lot of things happening. Like I'm getting a massive head, but at the same time I'm growing massive roots. So this is really good, and I appreciate every single one of you. And the real win is always going to be family. And hope everything I do is a great memory for the kids. You hold me for ransom, though it is handsome, the coin in the fame, like the window has a curtain, you cover the curtain. One thing is certain, something will change, but for now there is dirt in the rubble and hurt in the trouble. Don't gather your frown, all your anchors, all your worries may follow. Don't let them borrow 6 feet underground, 6 feet underground. Like the farmer to the green, I'll tend to you always. I'll never leave you behind. Your blood is my own. They'll speak of you, I swear, of your gallant chapters, how you rose from disaster and sat in this chair. So it seems there is dirt in the rubble and hurt in the trouble. Gather your frown, your anchor, though your worries may follow. And don't let them borrow 6 feet underground.
Regardless of what happens tonight, I think this is a win. And having you guys in my corner is an absolute win. So thank you for having my back, and it's going a long way for my family. So regardless of that, I feel good.
This is Kathy from Prudent Music Workshop. How do you feel about Ruben being in Voice Australia Grand Finals?
I'm so excited for him. Ruben's just such a beautiful person. He's got a heart of gold, voice of an angel, such a good man. He used to work at our music school, Penny Lanes, in Fremantle, and he came at a time that was a hard time in my life and my family's so kind, so generous, and he's just got all of our support. But it's not just that. His voice is amazing. He's, I think he might be a people's favourite. I've been really online the whole time, following as much as I can, and it's just beautiful to see that people now they know who he is. He's done a lot of gigs at our music school in the past, and nobody really knew who he was. But yesterday we had a gig. There was about 400 people, and 4,500 people were watching it online. So it's got a lot of support and a lot of love here in WA.
And I hope to be friends. And if I get a massive head from this, I don't know what it's like. If I get a massive head from this, we'll bring you back down. I'm counting on every single one of you to help me out, man.
I think Melly will do it.
Yeah. So thank you very much. Cheers.
Do you want us to take the photo?
You can, Risha.
Just don't forget I headlined you one night.
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do, changing lives day and night. But nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right, till the King of all kings, all praises due. Yesterday I was on a train, a little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? I said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never hear me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates, but if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. I'm the man who cooks the food and feeds the street people in the afternoon. I'm the lady with the broom.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.